Have you ever felt your paddle holding you back when the match was on the line? In this video, I'll show you the 7 best pickleball paddles, each designed to amplify your strengths and transform your play. In the description, I've left links with the latest prices on Amazon. Let's get started. Number 7. TENVINA HERCULES. The HERCULES paddle's multi-layer carbon fiber face delivers explosive power without sacrificing control. You'll drive deep baseline rockets with authority, then soften your touch at the net for pinpoint dinks. No more overhitting or underpowering key shots. Its matte textured surface generates high spin, so you can disguise your serves and angles with unpredictable slice and topspin. That friction gives you the edge in longer rallies, forcing opponents into errors when they least expect it. Inside, the THC polymer honeycomb core expands your sweet spot and dampens vibration, letting you play longer and harder without wrist fatigue. You'll feel a crisp, consistent pop on every hit and enjoy rock-steady stability on off-center strikes. Choose from an elongated thrust shape for aggressive offense or the wider poise for defensive mastery, with 16mm or 13mm thickness options to match your style. And with a comfort grip designed for sweat wicking, slip-resistant hold, your focus stays on the ball, even during marathon matches. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. DGYGQ. Precision engineered from high-quality carbon fiber, the DGYGQ paddle gives you tournament-grade performance at every level. That elite construction translates to a lively feel on every stroke, so your drives explode off the face and your blocks stay razor-sharp. Players with two-handed backhands will love the extended handle, which offers extra leverage for more powerful swings and tighter control on your second hand. You'll hit deeper cross-courts and sharper angles with less effort. At just 8 ounces, this paddle responds instantly to your wrist and wrist snap techniques, making quick volleys and rapid changes in direction feel fluid. No lag, no dead spots, just pure responsiveness when the pace accelerates. Inside, a 16mm polypropylene honeycomb core paired with TPE edges absorbs shock on every hit. That means you get smooth, consistent feedback on drives and dinks. Your hands stay happy, and your touch stays true. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. YVMOVE. Built with aerospace-grade carbon fiber, the YVMOVE paddle offers 60% greater tensile strength than conventional models, so you get both explosive pop and rock-solid durability for over 5,000 intense games. You'll never worry about delamination or warping, even under tour-level pressure. Thanks to patented thermoforming engineering, the face and core fuse seamlessly in one heat cycle, eliminating weak points and delivering consistent ball response for the long haul. Your slams, spins, and dinks all feel uniform, giving you total confidence in every shot. A 6-layer ultra-weave carbon stack expands your sweet spot by 22% and transfers 15% more energy into the ball, so your ground strokes thunder and your spins grip the court. Laser-engraved Teflon texture boosts spin by up to 40%. Letting you disguise heavy slice serves or crazy kickspin returners. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Want free shipping and fast delivery on your products? Try Amazon Prime. There is a 30-day free trial linked in the description. Number 4. ALLWAKE. ALLWAKE's advanced 3K carbon fiber surface enhances friction, keeping the ball on your paddle longer for better control, and devastating spin on serves, drives, and dinks. You'll place your shots with surgical precision. Your opponents won't know what hit them. The 16mm polypropylene honeycomb core layers absorb vibration and return energy smoothly, so your volleys ping with power and your touch shots glide with grace. You'll outlast your rivals, even in marathon matches. Feel the comfort of a one-piece, non-slip grip wrapped in soft synthetic leather, complete with sweat-wicking vents. You'll stay relaxed and focused, never tugging at your handle or fighting slippage during intense rallies. Sized at 16.5 inches long by 7.5 inches wide, with an extended 5.5-inch grip, this paddle stands up to aggressive play and offers a consistent feel from first serve to match point. It's built to last, and to help you last longer on court. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. TENVINA HERCULES Pro. For serious competitors, the HERCULES Pro's 4-layer carbon fiber face and thermoforming technology combine for a truly professional paddle. You'll enjoy an expanded sweet spot that lets you hit with confidence and punish even marginal contact. The unique matte textured carbon surface delivers pinpoint friction for spin control that rivals paddles costing twice as much. You'll create jump spin drives and skidding backspin lobs that keep every opponent off balance. The THC polymer honeycomb core provides a consistent feel and stability on every stroke, so your dink battles become a showcase of finesse, and your power rallies leave no doubt. 2 shapes. Thrust for quick offense or poise for defensive mastery lets you tailor the paddle to your game. With precision-cut grip lengths, 140mm for two-handed play, 133mm for wrist action, and eye-catching golden accents, the Hercules Pro looks as sharp as it performs. USAPA approved and built for excellence, it puts pro-level tech in your hands. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. JOOLA. Backed by US Open champion Tyson McGuffin, the JOOLA Magnus 3 Signature Series paddle blends professional insight with proven performance. Every curve, weight balance, and surface texture reflects the electrifying style for which Tyson is known. Constructed from high-grade composite materials, the Magnus 3 delivers a lively feel on drives and a forgiving touch at the net, so you can play your most audacious shots with confidence. Your serves will pop, your volleys will sting, and your dinks will dance. The ergonomic edge guard and textured face ensure durability and spin consistency. No more chipped surfaces or worn-out grooves compromising your accuracy. You'll maintain peak spin and control match after match. Each Magnus 3 paddle comes with a thick protective neoprene sleeve, custom fitted to shield your investment from scratches, dents, and moisture. It's the perfect combo. Elite pro performance and everyday protection rolled into one. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. AOKMSEID. The AOKMSEID AS8C F paddle takes full advantage of Toray T700 carbon fiber for a lightweight face that still unleashes raw power. Quick drives and aggressive smashes feel effortless, yet every shot remains under your precise control. Its 16mm K8 polymer honeycomb core and advanced friction skin layer combine for unmatched consistency and spin. You'll place drop shots with surgical accuracy and whip heavy slice returns that skid off the court, giving you the upper hand in fast exchanges. The elongated paddle face extends your reach, so you'll cover wider angles and attack lobs with a single fluid swing. And with a 5.5-inch handle length and ultra cushion grip, fatigue vanishes. Even after hours of intense rallies, your wrist and arm stay fresh. USAPA approved and tournament tested, the AS8CF offers professional level performance at an affordable price. It's the paddle of choice for advanced and aspiring pros who demand power, spin, and endurance in every match. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best pickleball paddles you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.